Hello to everybody. This video is for the Seiko TV watch and the issue related the sound of the watch, not related the audio of the TV because it is managed by one external device. I mean the alarm and the sound that do the watch for different topic. As you can see now here, there is not any signal. And the first step that we have to do is to try to press these two buttons simultaneously and try to activate the sound in this method. Now is activate the signal, and now the signal and the alarm. I looked online for a repair manual for this watch, but unfortunately I couldn't find one. It's extremely difficult to find, or better, is impossible. The worst case scenario is a broken of component in the module, but it's usually rare for an electronic component to fail. So I tried several solutions and managed to pinpoint the cause of the problem. In my specific case, the issue was that was missing the springs between the watch and the motherboard, or better, the motherboard and the case back. The spring was missing. I won't open the watch, but I post a photo of the spring location, so you can check it and missing replace in the correct position. This is the springs. If you haven't these springs, the sound doesn't work. I hope that this video could be useful for someone. Hello.